This is the elevator at Belk Riverchase Galleria, Hoover, Alabama. Where are the buttons? They're over here. We're gonna go to 2. Look out the window. We don't need to film those people. Okay. It's a pretty nice elevator. I'm trying to do this one pretty short because, you know. Look up at the ceiling. Who do you see? Alright, that's it, guys. Uh-oh, looks like you've reached the end of the video. You can always watch more though. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and light up that bell. And stay tuned for more.